Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by reducing immediate drains. Switch your Lenovo Loq to battery saver or balanced in power options because maximum performance wastes energy. Next, remove peripherals and turn Bluetooth off to cut background draw. Adjust screen brightness down to about 40 to 60% and enable adaptive brightness so the display scales automatically. This saves substantial power without crippling usability. Once done, check the battery icon to confirm the power plan is active, then move to deeper settings to extend runtime further. You now tighten software behavior. Open Task Manager and disable unneeded startup apps so fewer processes run in the background, because every app consumes CPU and battery. Next, apply the chipset or GPU power profile provided by Intel or AMD and update graphics drivers to improve efficiency. Drivers can reduce GPU wake-ups. Also set Wi-Fi adapter to power saving and disable location services to stop constant polling. These steps lower CPU and radio use, which directly extends battery life during typical workloads. You finish by adjusting sleep and battery behaviors. Set the display to sleep after 2 to 5 minutes of inactivity and ensure the system hibernates at a low battery threshold so you avoid sudden shutdowns. Run Lenovo Vantage or the built-in diagnostics to check battery health and recalibrate if readings seem off, because calibration corrects capacity reporting. If you still see rapid drain, boot into safe mode to see if a third-party app is the culprit. This isolates software from hardware issues and guides your next fix.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.